Do you want to know what it is?
Yes.
Opportunities in the microstock market are everywhere, all around us, even right now. New bestsellers are being uploaded. There is a Microstock Agency that can give a new opportunity, but it comes at a certain cost.
What cost?
That you're keeping doing the same things over and over, contributing to the same agencies. If you don't take risks, don't expect very different results in terms of income. You can try something new. But I cannot promise you any certain outcomes like achieving lots of sales and high level of income. You have to put in the work yourself.
Can I have a look inside this new marketplace?
No, unfortunately, you can't. There only is this offer. I heard you want to make $100,000 in microstock in 2026?
I do. I'm committed.
Time is ticking. I have an offer for you. Consider this carefully. You take the blue pill, you will remain as you are, contributing to the same agencies as you have done in the past. You take the red pill, you have to pay a significant fee to become a member of this Microstock Agency. You will have to contribute exclusive files, resulting in extra work. You will carry the risk of losing the entrance fee and make your goal seem even further. Or it can result in the more income bringing you closer to your $100,000 goal. Remember, all this agency is offering is a platform to sell your work, nothing more.
This is me, Hugo, 36, Microstock contributor since 2012. In 2025, I quit my job to become a full-time Microstock contributor. I started with Microstock as a hobby to make some income on the side. I started off with lots of rejections and not really sure what I was doing. But a small sale now and then motivated me to create more. I tried different things like photos, illustration, vector images and 3D renderings to see and try to make as much money as possible. With each year that passed, my skill improved and my portfolio grew. With that, the earnings also grew. This motivated me more and tried uploading to more agencies. This also expanded my earnings once more. Agencies like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock were now my main agencies. A real turning point came when I started using drones and uploading my drone videos and photos. This was and is a relatively new technology. Drones can create videos relatively easy and from perspectives that give appealing views. I found that there's good money to be made with video. This combined with an automated workflow where I do not really have to edit, I use software to upload to multiple agencies and I use keywording tools made me super efficient. This combined with a habit of consistent daily uploading and investing into the latest drones paid off. I started doubling my income each year and this brought me to the point where I was able to make more income than my regular 9-to-5 job. So I took a big leap. I decided to quit my 9-to-5 job. I chose for myself. I chose to follow my dreams. And I now travel the world using my drones and cameras to create Microstock full-time. I also want to share my journey with you on YouTube, because this teaches me about something bigger about life. It's important to do what you believe in and to build the life that you want. I think this combined with freedom is what happiness is all about. After achieving this major milestone, I still sometimes cannot believe it. It's time for a new direction. I believe it's very important to have a clear goal. Where do you want to be in 1 year? Because the more precise you know what you want, the easier it is to take action. I decided to make this goal a challenging one, because completing it would mean more freedom and proving myself that I can be independent and that I've broken free from the 9-to-5 rat race. I also seen that it's becoming challenging for many people. For example, the military has found the potential drones have. Drones are being used in warfare and starting to show up unwantedly at critical infrastructure as terrorist weapons. I also see that Microstock contributors saying that the income is declining because more and more people are doing it, thus expanding the marketplace libraries and saturating the market. the story of supply and demand, where supply is becoming more and demand is becoming less, because buyers can use other ways to create images and videos they want, using AI. Is Microstock one of the jobs that AI will take over? I heard people say, back in the day I could make thousands, and now it's shrunk down to hundreds, and declining each year. I want to prove them wrong, that there's money to be made, and that being consistent, working hard, and having the right mindset is rewarded. I believe that AI is not a threat, but a blessing, as it gives us more and more opportunities for us Microstock contributors to make money and make our work easier. In order to prove this, I want to challenge myself more than ever before. These are my total earnings of last year's. You can see that the major growth seems to be becoming less steep. I want to break free from that. I want to make the biggest leap I have ever made in 2026. And I want to do it in 1 year. On December 31st, I want to make $100,000 in Microstock. The time has already started ticking. Today is the 24th of December 2025. I still have left 372 days until the December 31st, 2026. In order to reach my goal, I have to reinvent Microstock and reinvent myself and output. Because if I will keep doing the same, I will probably not get there, as earning patterns are showing this. After realizing this, in combination with the direction that I want to go in, I recognized opportunity. And one came in the form from the community that I built here, that I'm very grateful for. Alexander Rotenberg, a fellow Microstock contributor and who also has a blog about Microstock, pointed out to me a new agency. I believe this is something I need. I need to expand the agencies that I'm contributing to. However, here comes the catch. This is not an ordinary agency. What if I tell you there's an agency where you have to pay your monthly Microstock income in order to contribute? I thought Microstock makes you money, or you have to pay money to make Microstock. Sales are in decline, but you now have to pay money to sell. This agency not only charges its buyer, but also its contributors. Let's have a look into these marketplaces to see what it's all about. Oh wait, I cannot actually go inside the marketplace and see what files are there for sale. What they do offer, however, is this video.
When I started in the year 2000, it was still analog photography. There weren't hardly any digital cameras. And a couple of years later, the stock photography started to develop, and I uploaded my first 10 photos and earned my first $40, and I said, okay, there's something in this. In the last 16 years, when the digital cameras came out and Microstock photography started, a lot more and more people were getting cameras and phones and shooting, and across the internet there were hundreds of thousands and starting to be millions of photos on the internet. And gradually the photography started losing its value. When the prices started dropping in Microstock photography, that's when I wasn't getting my return on investment. And that's when I said, I need to find something different. 6 years ago, when I created Amazing Aerial and wanted to focus on aerial photography as a niche, I decided I no longer wanted to be in the markets of Microstock, but more into the premium, meaning earning hundreds of dollars per photo instead of cents. And today we're nearly 200 photographers in 65 countries, licensing to over 40 premium agencies around the world. Into comparison, what premium versus Microstock is, you need to sell 600 licenses at Microstock to compare to one license that we have at Amazing Air. So you can earn hundreds of dollars per photo, whereas at Microstock it's just a few cents. Amazing Aerial is not just an agency, we're also a community where I support the photographers. We have a core team also supporting the photographers in building their portfolio. So by joining Amazing Aerial, photographers will be able to earn premium rates for their photos, meaning concentrating on quality. We haven't onboarded new photographers in the last 2 years, but today we're opening up to new talents. So if you want to license your work at premium rates, be part of a community and feel supported, then join Amazing Aerial today.
So interesting. He says that you can make 600 times more than you would on a regular Microstock website.
You need to sell 600 licenses at Microstock to compare to one license that we have at Amazing Aerial. So you can earn hundreds of dollars per photo, whereas at Microstock it's just a few cents.
They're opening up. Okay, so where can I join? And this is where it becomes interesting. And I think it would stop a lot of people from joining this agency.
I have an offer for you. Consider this carefully. Take the blue pill, you will remain as you are, contributing to the same agencies as you have done in the past. You take the red pill, you have to pay a significant fee to become a member of this Microstock Agency. You will have to contribute exclusive files, resulting in extra work. You will carry the risk of losing the entrance fee and make your goal seem even further. Or it can result in the more income bringing you closer to your $100,000 goal.
Difficult thing here is the lack of transparency. What am I signing into? But with a strong Microstock contributor community like we are building here, it can make the decision a bit easier. I saw somebody I knew who also contributed to Amazing Aerial, and I decided to ask him about his earnings at this website. Another question that comes to mind is, I don't have any insight in the marketplace. I only see the main pages of the website and some photos that look super high level. Does this agency fit my portfolio? What am I going to upload? I also need to be exclusive, so I cannot upload my existing portfolio. This would mean a whole nother workflow with separate files. Is it worth the extra effort? I already have limited time to make $100,000 in 1 year. And I still have to monetize this YouTube channel, also taking a lot of time. I realized this answer can be found in the past. Where did I came from and where do I want to go? When I started in 2012 with uploading my first file, I did not expect I could take it this far in 2025. But I uploaded anyway. When I set out on a journey to foreign countries far away, traveling for hours, coming to that beautiful mountain when the sun is setting and everything comes together, I realized something deeper. Taking that first step into the unknown is worth it. So that is why I need to take the red pill. And here's my plan. I will let the market decide what sells. I will look at my bestsellers from the past and pick the ones I made in my area and recreate them as good as I can, in order to have some high quality files right away. This will give some proof of the potential of the agency. I'm going to pick the €300 subscription to first find out if it's worth it. If so, I will probably take the lifetime later, as it then will pay for itself. Follow me to find out if Amazing Aerial is going to be a success story.